everybody. Let's continue to learn modern JavaScript fundamentals. This session is about comparisons. So in JavaScript, we do comparison with the greater than, less than, and greater than equal, and less than equal. We also use equal, and we also use not equal, like this. For the values, it's either true or false. It's pretty straightforward. So this, for the example, this one is true, this one is false, this one is true. For this one, return true. For string comparison, so like this case, the bigger than a, then we return true. This one, we compare the letters one by one from the beginning. So O is bigger than E, so it return true. B, E is bigger than nothing, so it's true. For different types, if we do this, it will be converted to number, so we get a true. The same like this. If we do this, it will compare the value. 1 is true, or true is 1. So false is 0, or 0 is false. So that's why it is written true. For this case, this one is number. We convert this number to Boolean. We will get false. We convert this one to Boolean. We will get a true because it's not empty string. But if we convert, if we do comparison like this, it will convert the value only. So that's why we get true. Strict equality. So we so-called strict equality is triple equal. It's special in JavaScript. We check the values without do the type conversion. For example, here this one. 0 is number, false is the Boolean. So definitely, they are not equal. It will return false. Comparison with null and defined. This one very complex, so we should avoid this. So let's take a look. Triple equal them, so no matter what, it will be false. Double equal them, it will be true. Very confused here. So strange result, null vs 0. If we do this, null will be converted to number. This one will not. This one will convert to number. So the reason that equality check and comparison, this one work differently because comparisons convert null to number, hence treat it as 0. That's why 3 and greater than equal is true, and 1 and greater than is false. On the other hand, equality check, double equal for undefined and null works by the rule without any conversions. They equal each other and don't equal anything else. That's why 2 null equal 0 is false. Incomparable undefined. So undefined, if you convert to number, it will be not a number. This one. So for every comparison, it will return false. And for the 3, this one return false because undefined only equals null and no other value. So yeah, we need to pay attention to this special case. Let's do some summary. Comparison operators return a logical value, either true or false. Strings are compared letter by letter in the dictionary order. Dictionary order means from the beginning. When values of different types are compared, they get converted to numbers with exclusion of strict equality check. So yeah, when we do the comparison, so it will get to convert it to numbers first, then do the comparison. If we don't use like triple equal thing. So values null and undefined equal, double equal each other, and do not equal any other value. Be careful when using comparison like bigger than or less than with variables that can occasionally be null and undefined. Making a separate check for null and or undefined is a good idea. So before we do any comparison, it's better to do null and undefined check first. Yeah, that's all for comparisons. Thanks for watching. See you next session. Bye bye.